armhole is 1.5 inches less than your bicep. That's big. And if you look at this, just looking at this graph, it should tell you how to make the sleeve. Let's discuss that. We already know those things. But what about this cap? So, yeah, we got the 4 humps. So from, after you do that, 1/4 of the hump goes here. And then this one looks like half of that hump, right? So that's half of that hump. And then you add a hump and a half a hump, add a hump and a half hump. And then you have your little house that you're gonna put your egg in.
Happy Easter.
Right, happy Easter. Okay, so that's and so you don't go past that one. You go from here to here, and then the other one is out here, and then there to there. This is your front. That's your back. And you see how shallow the back is. That's from our J, and then you see how much more rounded this will be. That's where I'll see. So which means when we take our bodice, hopefully, if it doesn't match up, try to make it match up as much as you can. You take your bodice front, right here under the arm, match that up so the curve is nice and the same. And then you do the same thing with the back. That's what I do. Okay? All right, so here we go. I'm just gonna draw a straight line. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and get my bicep. So let me just go ahead and, all right, let me do it the proper way. I'm gonna come here to here. Get my little bicep line. What it is yet, I don't know just yet. I'm just go ahead and get it ready. Okay, so I don't have my calculator. So what's 1/3 of 16?
Anissa.
5 and
We need somebody who's not
5
recording.
and a quarter.
5.333, so 5 and
5 and a quarter, or
Yeah,
5
5
and
and
3/8.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Everybody clear? 5 and 3/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3/8.
Can you, what?
Okay, so.
Hang on, what was the
Oh,
math?
I'm so sorry.
What was the math that you did?
Okay, so our armhole is 16.
Okay, all right, that's all I
We
want to
measure
know.
armhole at
Well,
16.
16 and 8, but we'll
16
call it
and 8.
16.
Okay, which
Okay.
is really a little armhole. But I
And-
guess that's okay. She's looking at me like, I didn't make a mistake. Okay,
How
so
did you measure your armhole?
she measured the pattern.
The pattern.
Oh.
The pattern,
okay.
front armhole and back
Okay.
armhole. So that's
Okay, and then we divided by 3, by 3. 16 divided by 3?
yes,
Okay.
yes, because it's 1/3 of 16. Okay, that's how we got that. So we just, instead of 5 and a quarter, 5 and 5/16, we just did 5 and 3/8.
The biceps 1/3, okay.
Okay,
Perfect.
all right, and so let's go ahead and get our length. Let's say our length is gonna be, I don't know, let's just 24. Hi, Joy.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, so now we got that. Now let's get our, so 3/4 of 16 is, somebody, 12. All right, so we want half and half, right? So we want, where's the 6 at? I need glasses. Okay, right? We good? Okay, and then what's, you take 12 divided by 4 is what, somebody?
3.
No, I'm sorry, not 12, 6 divided by 4. 1 1/4 each? Is that, I'm asking.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
sounds
my calculator.
right. Quarter,
That ain't right, hold on. 1 1/2, okay, 1 1/2, how about 1 1/2? 1 1/2 and 1 1/2
It's 3.
and 1 1/2 and 1 1/2.
6.
There we go. Okay, so what we're doing is, this is the half of our bicep. So those are the humps.
Okay.
Okay, so which means I'm gonna have a dot right there, because that's one of the humps. Go back. Okay, then we're gonna take half of 1 1/2, which is 3/4, and this is gonna be the back. So this is gonna be my front, that's gonna be the back. So I'm building a house right now. Okay, all right, so then we're gonna take
that, you know, how I got the little hump and the big hump, put those together. So if we had the 1.5 plus the 3/4, all right, that's 2 3/8. Hold on a second. The 1.5 plus 3/4, which is right here. The 1.5 plus the 3/4. Y'all see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now, basically, I'm just gonna go here to here. And there to there.
So you're just taking what you added to the front and the back and then stacking them on top.
Right here, that's exactly correct.
Cool.
Okay? And so now, all I wanna do now is come right here to here. And then, I wanna come right here. Give me a good one. To here. Then, I wanna come here to here.
Mm.
And I wanna come here to here. All right,
Yeah,
Wow.
that's pretty.
and then I just need this in half from the wrist to the bicep. Half, plus go up an inch. So if my bicep was 12, then an inch and 12 minus an inch and a half was what, 10 and a half? 10 and a half. 10 and a half. So 10 and a half and half is 5 1/4. Only in the morning I can do mental aerobics. Catch me after lunch. It's like, huh? Okay, so so in other words, 5 1/4 on this side, 5 1/4 on the other side. And then come straight through. And the straight through.
You make it look so simple.
So this should compare to the one we made. It's from the same.
Armhole,
feels
but
like
this is
our
smaller.
curves are, you know how they were like
Yeah,
go
hitting
in
those
this,
dots.
out the, yeah,
Yeah.
these
Yeah.
dots. It felt like it was
I
Wonky,
know.
gets a little wonky.
Yeah.
different.
I think I like building a house, and now I got some parameters. I can't go past that line, so can't go past that line, and then yep, there you go. Put your little right there, and put your little right there, and then work it in.